Hello there, I am Tugustu Zariun. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you. I will continue the lesson for practical part to open a file or folder. Best as a beginner. Most of the time we use the computer or digital device by the trial and error. But we have to have a skill, knowledge. We have to use properly the system. Method 1, double click on the file, folder or document icon. It says double click on the folder or icon using the left mouse button twice, 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 twice. It opens the file. Method 2, click once on the icon and press enter key. Selecting click once here. It helps you to highlight. One click, you will not say a click. It's just simple selecting. Highlights, then on the keyboard. On the keyboard, enter key. First selecting the file, one click, then press enter key. The other method. The third method, right click on the icon and select open. Right click on any icon on your document that helps you to display a shortcut menu. Then selecting open. Just knowing all the method helps you to, if one of the method says no, then you can use the other method. Not only in case of this, in use of digital system, we may have variety of methods. It helps us to know and it helps us to choose the shortest path that saves our time. To close a file or folder, method 1 is click on the close button in the title bar of select. Just have on open window here. Teach yourself window here. This is the close button. When you're pointing, it says a close. By default, we use it, but we have to know as a beginner. Or you can close the window using Alt plus on the keyboard. Alt key at the same time functional F4 for it closes. Method 3 is Alt plus spacebar. Alt with spacebar on the keyboard. Alt with space, it gives you functional option. Alt plus space. Then we'll select close. C. Then on the underline there is C. Alt space. Then you choose C. At this time I am using Windows 11. It displays this in case of the previous versions. It displays you shortcut menu around here. Then you will press C. C later. The underline later. Let me continue until it opens. Here double click is using the left side of mouse button twice. Right click is this one on the right side button. Right click to display shortcut menu on the file or folder you want to open. Creating a folder on any How can we create? We have said a folder is a container. It is a container of a file, a document, a program also. Think about your system. If there is no folders means there is no folder. If there is no folder, all files will be on the same place that all files will be on the same place and you may be confused to use. But this having a folder helps you to locate the file easily and to consist. It helps you to organize our file and to manage easily. Right click on a free space, says on blank space, right click, new, choosing folder, then typing the name, for instance TT1, finished, press enter key. Now the folder is created. We can put here our files. The folder is empty. Step 2, choose new then folder. Right click on the free space, choose new then folder, write the name of the folder automatically, press enter key or click anywhere in the desktop. Most of the time we use byte real and digital system, but we have to use properly. Always you have to create a folder and put under that folder. Think about your mobiles. Mobiles organized automatically. It organizes picture with picture, audio when we open my file or file, picture with picture, audio with audio, download files with download, video is organized. But again, we have to create a folder and we can put each of files by giving a name, by a specific name that helps us to remind easily. Press enter key or click anywhere in the desktop after giving a name for that folder. It says you cannot use a con as a file or folder name because it is reserved. We have no use con as a file or folder name because it is reserved. Creating a folder inside any folder or any hard disk. Just I have created on the desktop area. What about creating folder? Is it possible under TT1? It's possible to create other folder and we call it the folder created under this subfolder. We can give TT3. Finished. It's possible to create also others, or we can create also under this subfolder. TT1, TT3. They are under desktop. Possible to create also in another drives under local DC, under T, or you can create also under flash disk. The other way to create a folder is using this. I am using Windows 11 on Windows 10. Around home tab, under home tab, around here there is a new folder. Here in Windows 11, new main folder, giving the name to that folder. New. Or what about using keyboard? Control Shift N. Control Shift N. New folder on the blank space. Control Shift N. Here is the folder and typing enter. It's possible also create a folder in other subfolders. Right click always, then new, choosing folder. After giving a specific name for file and folder, it's possible to rename in case of computer digital systems, in case of mobiles, in case of computers. We can give, for instance, when you capture any pictures using our mobiles, it gives an automatic name. To change that name, you can use by selecting the file first, then choosing the three dots around here on the mobile option, rename. In case of computer, there are a variety of options to rename a file. First is to rename files and folders. Select the file or folder you have to rename. Says select means you have to tell the computer which file or folder you want to rename. Then press F2 key on the keyboard, F2 key. F1 up to F12 are functional keys. On the keyboard at the top there is F2 key. Then we can give the name for that specific folder. Enter. Then how can we change? F2. Is give us a computer to change the name, then we can. Or here, not on the icon, on the text. Finished. Selecting once. On the text, not on the icon. Finished. Now I can change. The same to files. When we want to change the name of file also, we use the same step or method. Press F2 key from the keyboard or right click on it and choose the rename command. Sorry. Type the name you desire and press enter key. Rename. Type the name you desire and press enter key. When you right click always, it gives list of commands. Right click, rename, and give the deleting files and folders. When you no longer need files and folders on your computer, you can delete them using why we delete a file or folder or remove a file or folder. Every computer has its own specific storage capacity. Here I am using the two partition local disks. When I want to free up some space, I have to delete unnecessary files. On such occasion, we have to use the delete option. First, you have to choose video file because when you go from simple to small to largest, we have text-based files, picture-based, audio-based, video-based. Video-based, they take a large space. And next, we may choose unnecessary programs, uninstall. In case of file or document, we delete. Always save any file or folder, selecting once, then on the keyboard is delete key. Delete key on the keyboard. Selecting once, delete key on the keyboard. Deleting permanently remove from. No, okay, no. If you want to delete, then you have to confirm by saying yes, or delete, then you are sending to this storage drive. Here is also a folder. Unnecessary or unwanted files are stored under here, under recycle bin. We can right click under a file that is stored temporarily under recycle bin. It can be restored back or deleted permanently. When we double click it, it cannot open. We cannot access a file stored under recycle bin. It is a temporary storage for unnecessary files, folders. Therefore, we can restore back to access our files. Double click helps you to open, but it cannot access here. You have to restore back to use it. The other option is using the right click method. Select the file or folder you want to delete and choose file, then delete or press the delete key from the keyboard. There are variety of methods. You can use also right click method, delete. The other method is if the file is stored in a specific folder, selecting the file once, then file, here, when you select the file, here the ribbons and the icons and the ribbons are active. Now delete it says. You have to click here, delete. So selecting the file once, choosing delete. This helps you to rename also here. There are variety of options to do a specific task. After deleting a files, when we want to access if in mistake our files are deleted or if other users are deleted our files, we have to restore back it. Under open the recycle bin from the desktop, select the file or then restore it says. Here right click, restore. It gives you an option to restore. To access our files, this is a recycle bin, deleted files or folders stored here. Moving files and folders. In Window Explorer, moving is the process of transferring or sending files and folders from one location to another. When you say moving, it is transferring or sending files or folders from one location to another. For instance, from desktop area to documents or C drive or D drive if it's a partition. And the same to other storage drivers like flash disk. Like the copy process, there are two methods to move files and folders. When we move a files, we may not have a copy of file. That we have to be careful. For instance, if you cut or if you move your files or if you completely transfer or send your files from computer to flash disk, if you lost your flash disk or corrupts, you will lose also your files. Therefore, you have to be careful before moving a file. It says the drag and the drop method helps you to move. The cut and paste method helps you to move files and folders. How we use these methods to move files and folders using the drag and method, drag drop. Using the left mouse button. The left mouse button helps you to drag and drop. Select the file or folder you want to move, it says. Always you have to locate the file or folder. You want to do a specific task, not only to move. Then drag the selected item into a drive or folder in which you want to copy the item, it says. For instance, here, drag using the left mouse button without releasing. Move to, it says, move to, it says. Now release. It is moved. Here is an icon for case 3. Okay, move again, move again, move to vice versa. Transfer to from this folder to desktop. Auto copy. Finish drag drop. Drag the selected item into the folder or folder in which you want to copy the item. Release the mouse button. Window Explorer just it moves. Window Explorer moves the selected file and folder to the desired location. To move file and folder using the cut and paste, the other method, cut paste. We have variety of methods. Right click, method, cut. Then we have to perform the operation. Under parentheses, there is Control plus X, means using keyboard at the same time. Selecting once, Control X. Then opening this, Control V here. Control V helps you to paste and Control X is cut. Now it is moved. The other method, right click, then cut. Placing here. If you are under File Explorer, that's why we have said it's better to use File Explorer. We have additional options here. Selecting, for instance, selecting this icon. Then around here is cut. Then choosing the folder. Here it. paste it says in the river. Now it is X, vice versa, but then choosing desktop on blank area, click on blank area to make it active. Now paste, is paste. Okay, select the file or folder you want to move, choose edit, cut. Select or open the destination folder or drive and choose edit, paste. When you move files and folders, Windows Explorer will copy and the selected folder new location and delete it from the original. You can also use our shortcut menu to copy the move and files. There are a variety of options to do a specific task. To display edit, press Alt plus E in case of Windows version, Alt plus E. Alt F helps you to display the file. For instance, let me open here. I am using Windows 11. F, Alt F. Alt F, Alt E. There is no specific options. In case of Windows 10, before Windows 11 version, Alt plus E, it helps you display edit. Then selecting the file first, cut, copy, paste are here. But in case of Windows 11, here they are displayed here at the front. As the front, for instance, opening document, then the icons are here. Selecting, they are active now. If it is not selected, they are not active, they are inactive. To make it active, we have to select a specific file to perform a specific operation. Therefore, in short, cut paste means moving. To move file and folder using cut and paste method, just right click, then cut. After click on cut, then your destination folder, or plus right click on the blank space, then click paste. Copying files and folders. The same to your flash disk. To transfer, for instance, from your flash disk to computer, first selecting the file that is placed on the flash disk, then Control C helps you copy. X cut or right click, Control X, then on the place you want to place, you have to right click and paste, or you can use Control V. In Windows, copying is the other operation is copying files and folders. It duplicates rather than moving here in case of this operation. In Windows, copying is the process of having the exact image or duplicate of file and folder in different location. As you work with Windows, there will be a time when you need to copy files and folders to a new location and from the new disk to your local disk or vice versa. You have to choose the source that you want to copy a specific file always, and we have to locate the device, not only in computer, the same to other digital systems. Windows Explorer provides two ways of copying files. The first, drag and drop method. The other is copy and paste method. So in case of cut paste, drag and drop here using control key. In case of in a specific drive, we use drag and drop method to move in a specific drive from the computer from the desktop to my document or vice versa. But drag drop helps you to copy paste in case of flash disk to computer or vice versa. In case of computer, we have to hold down the control key. Control key here it says select the file or folder you want to copy, the drag drop method. While holding the control key, drag the selected item. Then when you reach on the place you want to copy, paste, you have to release. Let me just show you here. Holding down control key, then drag and drop. Copy says rather than copy to. It does. I have holded the control key already. That's why it says copy to. Now it is copied here. I have released on the outside side, that's why it is copied. Now holding control key first, then leave here. Let me move this folder to this folder to here. On both places. PIT again on the desktop. PIT under BCS folder also. It is duplicated now. Using control key. To duplicate our files, we have to perform the operation copy paste rather than cut paste. Copy. Under parenthesis, control C says. One is also selecting the file or folder, then control C. On the destination you want to copy, open. If it is flash disk, the same too. We have to open the flash disk and control the same to external disk. Or right clicking, then choose paste. Or here is the paste. In Windows version 10 version, you can use edit menu next to file menu. In short, as a shortcut key, Control plus Alt key plus E later. Alt plus E displays edit. Then you will get copy and paste there. First you have to perform the copy. After selecting the file or folder, we have to select always. Selecting means highlighting. One click or using the left side of mouse button. Select or open the destination folder or drive and choose edit then paste. To copy files and folders using the drag and drop method. Use also right click method. Right clicking then paste. After click on copy, then your destination folder. Right click again, paste. Let me show you how to create a shortcut on the desktop, and I will stop for today. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you. Here, to create a shortcut on the desktop. What is shortcut by me? It is a link that helps us to save our time. For instance, there is a place that saves our time when we access or interact with the computer or digital device. Here are shortcut keys. The left are here, the arrow shows that they are shortcuts. This arrow, the arrow here, shortcuts. Possible to create a shortcut. A file that is stored in document or in other drive. Right clicking, then send to shortcut here, desktop shortcut here. Finish. It will create a shortcut there. The original file placed here. We can, by referring this link, we can use. Most of the time we create a link for softwares. Now you have a Google Chrome shortcut possible to easily open here. Canva here shortcut. It's possible to create to open Adobe Photoshop here as an icon shortcut key. It's possible to easily open. Open Window Explorer, it says. If you open Window Explorer, minimize the window size. Sorry. Right click, then Right click without releasing, drag and drop. Right clicking Window Explorer, minimizing the window size. Then here we can point on this border when it will convert us to this shape, double arrow, you can drag and drop like this. For instance, document. To create shortcut, right click, then move this, release it using the right side of mouse button. Create shortcut is here, not move, create. As you see, the original video, picture, here is a shortcut. Keeping as it is original, I can link. It's possible to open this. It helps you to link the original file. You can save our time. Rather than moving there, you can here open easily. For today, thank you. I'll continue next time. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel.